What's up guys, welcome back to another video. As you see in the title down below, today you already know we're gonna be doing some wrapping once again. If I didn't do enough wrapping in this house, then I wouldn't be able to do that and I wouldn't be able to do that. But yeah, we got 2 cars that are wrapped and now we're gonna have a 3rd one. So the difference between all the wraps I've done before and this one is that, first of all, this is gonna be a satin color. It's not gonna be a gloss. So first of all, it's gonna be a satin color. It's not gonna be a gloss. And again, I use Tech Wraps for the vinyl wrap just because I've had really good experience with them and they're fairly cheap, so it kind of works out. So link down below for that. I did end up getting a color called Kermit Green through their website. Let me see if I put a light on it, if it looks better. Where's my flashlight? So I did get a color called Kermit Green. It's just like a satin lime green. And that's what we're gonna be working on today. And then I already started the blackout because I was trying to just get the car done a little bit faster. So we did all the trim around the door, all this right here. We did this panel right here because this was faded from just being in the sun. And then we did the top half of the door handles because these were chrome. Oops. So these were chrome before, like this. So we went ahead and blacked them out. Blacked out that and blacked out around the doors. All we have left to black out would be this trim right here in the bottom of the diffuser. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off and paint it all black. So it's not really gonna matter if I wrap it or paint it. It's just gonna be painted as one piece, so might as well do that. And all the bodywork on the car, not sure if I showed it in previous videos or not, but all the bodywork has been done. So we got dent taken out there, big old dent taken out there. Let's see. It was a giant dent from like here, this tip, all the way to like up here. You can't really tell. And then this was primered because whoever owned this car before, they did do a badge delete. And then they ended up putting the CLA badge all back on here, but they used super glue to put them back on. So when I went to pull them off, it ripped off the paint. So yeah, don't super glue your emblems, guys. This guy, it has 3 little holes you can see right there. Those are done nice and evenly. That's for the original OEM emblem, and that was shaved so we can have just a clean trunk look. This guy right here, there was another little tiny dent right there. Fix that. And then funny story, when I was removing the wing, kind of snapped on me in half, so I had to body work it and fix it. But here it is, nice and wrapped. That's where it broke. I just blacked out the grill a couple days ago. That's what that looks like. I think the horn has water in it. Fixed a small dent that the fender had right here. Well, it was torn. It was torn right in the middle. And since these fenders are super expensive, I tried fixing it and it worked out. So thankfully I was able to make this one look good again. And then this has a little like coin like emblem that it has usually there, but I went ahead and did something different. First of all, the coin costs like $100, so we're not gonna buy a freaking $100 coin emblem. So I blanked it out, and it's gonna be a different look. Where else are you gonna see a CLA with a shaved emblem piece that's not stock? So yeah, so there's that. That's what we're gonna be doing. This is gonna be distributed around a couple days for me personally, because I don't have a lot of time to do this consistently every day. But for you guys, obviously it's gonna be a couple hours. But I mean, obviously for you guys it's just gonna be a continuous video. But today we're gonna start on the hood. At least in this portion of the video, beginning of the video, we're gonna start on the hood and probably start on measuring the whole driver's side. We'll take care of bumpers. That's kind of how I do it. I don't know why. I always start with hood, full side, and then the other full side, and then trunk, and then bumpers at the very end.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Alright guys, well, it's another day for me. But as you saw in the last clip, I ended up finishing the hood. Honestly, this color accents the body line super well. But really happy with how it came out. The only thing I don't like about this product is that this color is basically see-through. Like, so the reason I didn't continue yesterday is because since it was see-through, pretty much every spot that I ended up having a gray primer on, I had to do black primer on top of it.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Well guys, we made quite a bit of progress today. Yeah, so got the fender all done, nice and wrapped. Oh shit. super clean lines. Let me put the camera down real quick. Ah, freaking vinyl. So we got the whole car done, or not the whole car, I mean the whole fender. Super clean lines. I'm not gonna wrap the inside of the fender. I just did it up to the body line right here, where you can see it in the daytime. But everything nice and tucked. And then we got the entire quarter panel and pillars. So far this, like I said, I hate the quality of this vinyl in terms of how see-through it is, because it makes things harder. But we got the entire passenger side done. There is a little nick right there. Ugh. And right now we're doing the side skirt inside, so that's why it's not on the car just yet. But it looks pretty good. I like the black accents. The black is gonna complement the car really, really good. And then whenever we get wheels, it's gonna help a lot too, especially with the goofy ass look that it has right now with the stock wheels and stock height. I don't know if we're gonna lower it. I don't think we're gonna lower it because this car is gonna be for sale. But if we end up keeping it, I will buy lowering springs and we'll install those, and I can show you guys what that looks like. But as of right now, this is one entire side done with door handles installed and everything. Only thing is, now that I took them off and unplugged them, now the freaking keyless entry is not working, so I gotta figure that out. So
let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. open door. Show me proof that there is something more. I just hope I am okay with the choices I make. Maybe then I'll understand. You said I'd fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground. You said I'd fly away. You said I'd fly anyway, but I keep on falling.
Alright guys, well, as you saw, I just finished the back bumper and the trunk last night and whatnot, and well, the bumper today. But this is what we have so far. Entire passenger side. Don't mind the lawnmower noises, but here's the back bumper. Then I ended up painting the diffuser black again, because this part was chrome back down here, and then this part was still black, but it was all nasty and faded, so I painted it fresh black, a fresh coat. Looks good.
But I keep on falling.
And we're done with the wrap. So yeah, car's done fully, completely. Gotta still do the chrome delete, clean the top, clean the glass, it's nasty, and then we're officially done, boys. Well guys, it's been a semi-brutal week trying to wrap this thing all alone, but we got it done. Looks good. We got all the blacked out in the bottom, the wing, the roof stayed black, door handles, chrome, windows tinted to make it, give it that little effect. But yeah, looks really good. We're just gonna leave it in the sun, let it kind of bake, let it fail wherever it's going to fail, like down here. I still gotta put strips to hold the bottom, but nonetheless it looks really good. And then nonetheless, thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.